Hello everyone and welcome to FIXtastic Solutions. In this video I'll show you how you can bypass FRP on older Samsung phones. As you can see, I have a J1 Mini Prime and it's locked by FRP. And when I try to bypass FRP using the talkback, it shows the update button on YouTube. So that means the method is not working. But in this video I'm showing you a totally different method.
Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution.
So enable talkback and draw an L pattern on your screen. And tap on text to speech settings. And tap here. Now the Galaxy Store will open. Search for Samsung Internet Browser. Update it if it asks for the update. Now just open the browser. Disable talkback by pressing the home key 3 times. Visit the following website. As you can see, our site is loaded up. Now scroll down and download the following 2 files. The phone is running on Android 6, so I am downloading the Android 6 method file. Download the Google Account Manager and bypass FRP app. Now just install both of the apps. First you have to install the Android 6 Google Account Manager. Enable unknown sources and install it. Now install the another APK. And open it. Here you can just sign up with your account. As you can see, once done, just go back. And now just restart the phone. Once the phone restarts, now just set up your device. It may take some time here, so just wait patiently. And that's it. As you can see, the device is successfully bypassed. Now all you have to do is go to settings, accounts, and just remove your Google account and perform a factory reset. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.